Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing, also actually before you see this video, I might have uploaded another video in the same outfit, so don't mind that. Yeah, so I ordered the Morphe mystery box. I think it was Cyber Monday when I ordered it. Oh, it must have been Black Friday. It was on that weekend, and I've never ordered a mystery box, but I just happened to see it like on one of those Facebook ads, and I clicked on it and I was like, oh, it's still available, so I got it. I live in Australia now, so I got the $50 one, which is pretty much around $75 for us. I know, such a ripoff, but what can you do? Anyway, I thought I'll make a video. I'm sure a lot of people want to see what's in the mystery box because a lot of people want to buy it, but they're not sure if, you know, it's worth their money. So yeah, I did order something else with it. Like, I'll show you that first. It's just a small brush set, and then I'll go ahead with the mystery box. It came in this huge box, like so. Let's go ahead and open that first. I did look up some of the videos on YouTube, but I didn't actually watch it. But I saw a few girls, not few girls, saw a few videos, like I just from the title, and they're like disappointed, and I was like, oh, I don't wanna, you know, I don't wanna ruin the surprise for myself, so I just didn't watch it. But I hope I'm not disappointed. I hope whatever I get is not as bad as these girls make it look like in the title. So yeah, alright. So the first thing that I got was the complexion brush set. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. I don't know what I was saying. This is the first thing that I got, and this is not part of the mystery box. Just making it clear. So this is what I got. It's the face complexion brush, face or complexion goals 5-piece brush collection and case. I do need new brushes. The brushes I have are so old, so I needed an upgrade. So I was like, why not? So it's a really cute pouch that it comes in, and these are the brushes. It has the rose gold, whatever you call this. So I'm not going to open it yet. I'm just going to show it to you like this. These are the 5 brushes. I don't think they have numbers on it either. Yeah, they don't. The set includes Deluxe Angle Brush, Pro Flat Buffer Brush, Deluxe Highlight Fan Brush, Deluxe Pointed Contour Brush, and Precision Pointed Powder Brush. Those are the brushes that it came with. Cool. Cool. I don't wear earrings, so like this is really weird for me. It's like too much. Okay. Next, we move on to the surprise box. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's called the surprise box. You know what? These earrings are literally bothering me. I'm just gonna take it off. Okay. Because I see myself in the viewfinder, I can see it dangling, and I just don't like it. Here we go. Here we go. One more time. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna pick out whatever is on the top and go from there. Oh, also, this is called the 9-piece face and eye collection. I know that there was another one, a smaller one. It was a $35 US one. But I think that was just the face one, and I already wanted a different face brush set. That's why I didn't bother getting that one, because I was like, what if like I get double the stuff? I'm having a very hard time opening this. Alright, I used my back of my earring. I see brushes. Okay. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. Ta-da! That's enough of peeking. Okay, let's go. Okay. So the first thing that I got is the 35R eyeshadow palette. I do not own this, so that's a good start. 35R. The typical Morphe packaging. It's smaller than the James Charles palette, I'm pretty sure. Okay, I actually stopped recording, so I don't know where I stopped. But I was saying, I think, that it's much smaller than the James Charles palette. If you want to see the comparison. See? Small. But I don't care. Okay. So that's the eyeshadow palette. Ooh, so these are the on the darker side, like smoky shadows. That's what it looks like. It's so pretty. This is made perfect for my clients. So gorgeous. Alright, so that was the first palette. Okay, so the next thing, let's see what I can... okay. Ooh, lashes. So the lashes, they're in the style of Posh. Yeah, Posh. Very, very fluffy and dramatic. And I love dramatic lashes, so yay! I don't own any of the Morphe eyelashes, so that's good. Alright, next, what do we got here? Ooh, Blushing Babes, Pop of Pink. So this is another palette, but this is a blush palette. Okay. Typical packaging. Ooh. And these are the blushes. Pretty. So far, so good. I don't own any of these. Okay, next is what do we have here? Lip gloss. This is the lip gloss in Froze. Like rose, but Froze. Alright, so that's the lip gloss. Now, I'm not a huge fan of lip glosses, so this is something I'm probably gonna give away. I'm not disappointed in it though. Not at all. I'm just saying, like, I'm not a lip gloss person, so that's something I'm not going to use. Alright, another one. This is their lip crayon in Lilas? Don't know. This is what it looks like. It's a very pretty color. It's almost like what I'm wearing, but a little bit lighter. So the next thing we got is a lipstick. It's called the Mega Matte lipstick in the shade Morphe. I didn't know they have a lipstick named after their brand. It looks like a very pretty color. Ooh, look at the packaging. Ooh. It has like their logo embossed on it. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Again, I'm not gonna swatch it because I don't know if I really want to keep it or if I want to give this to someone else. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've gotten 5 things so far and I don't own any of it, so that's a good thing. Alright, so last but not least are these 3 brushes. The first one is the Deluxe blender brush. Need those. Ooh, and it's in the chrome, what do you call them? What is this bit called? Whatever it's called. It matches the one that I got separately. So that's the blender brush. And then it also came with the tapered blender brush. This is my favorite. So soft. And then the last one is R14 round contour brush. They're so soft. Alright, that's it. So altogether I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 things. I'm gonna go ahead and calculate how much they're worth. And I'll put it in somewhere here or in the description box. So you can just see, you know, if it was worth it or not. I think it was worth it for me. Maybe not for someone else, but for me personally, I think every single thing that came in it was good. Apart from the lip gloss. It's good, probably is, but just something that I would not use. But yeah. Okay, so I did my calculation. On the website, it says it's the $50 box is a total value of $101. I quickly looked up on the website. Everything comes to 102 American dollars. So I paid $50 American, and it's worth double the amount. So honestly, I think that's pretty fair. I guess some people are disappointed because they probably either own the stuff or it's not their shade. But for me, everything was perfect. Like I have nothing to complain about. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to watch more videos like this, then please do give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.